joining me here in the attic, so pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to day 8 of my Cora Crea crafts daily unboxing and creating video. This is a series here on my channel where I have gotten an advent calendar as a present from my family, and I am opening a pack each day and then using whatever's in the pack to try to create something to use in a junk journal. If this is your first time here, I'd like to welcome you and let you know there is a playlist down in the description box where you can go back and catch days 1 through 7 if you've missed any of those. If you're returning, I'd like to welcome you back. So let's get on to opening the package for day 8. Can't believe we're already into the second week of December. This year has flown by. With my daughter getting married this year, it seems like it has gone by really fast, and I can't believe the year's almost over. All right, let's see what we've got for day 8. Oh, okay. This is different, but this is really cool. This is a stamp that's Roman numerals, but it's done like a wheel. So it's wheel Roman numeral wooden stamp for Cora Crea crafts. So you've got all the Roman numerals from 1 to 10. That's pretty cool. Not sure what I'm going to create with this, but I'm going to pause the video here for a minute, go grab some supplies, and I'll come back. Okay, I think I'm going to try to keep it fairly simple today. I've grabbed some Distress Oxide ground espresso, some embossing ink, some embossing powder in Princess Gold, and some washi tape. And just see, I'm going to kind of play around with this overall design and just see what I want to do. I think I want to try to create another journaling page. So I'm going to add some music here and get to crafting. Today's video came together really quickly. I did decide to make the journal page. So I just took the coffee dyed paper, folded it in half, and added my washi tape, and then I used the Distress embossing ink and individually inked up the numbers 1 through 7, and then used the gold embossing powder to heat emboss that, and I added my number 8 sticker up at the top here. So then on the back, I decided I wanted to play around with the wheel a little bit. I did add the music washi tape here like I did on the front, but this time I used the ground espresso distress oxide and I inked up all the images on the wheel and then rolled it to make like a background pattern. And I love how that turned out and made a background page here. So I decided to do something similar on the inside. I did the same thing. I inked up all of them at one time and then rolled it diagonally to create a pattern page here. And then I used the distress embossing ink to ink the top and the bottom of the page and added the gold to add some embellishments at the top and bottom. And so I love how that journal page turned out, and it was really quick. Just shows that you can get a pretty look without having a whole lot of supplies. So I'd love for y'all to leave me comments down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all are doing this holiday season. Are you doing crafts with your family? Are you opening your own Advent boxes, either be it craft related or even like I'm doing at the end of the videos, like the chocolates? And in the spirit of the holiday season here in the attic, I leave you with my coffee of the day, which is hazelnut, and we're going to open our Advent chocolate. Let's see what day 8 has. Oh, we have dark chocolate today. I love dark chocolate. Tiramisu in dark chocolate. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my coffee and my chocolate, and until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.